So, gagawa tayo ng ano, ng gumamela. So, ito, kailangan natin ng dalawang wire. Ito, isa, putulon natin. Ito lang natin. Yan. Tapos, itong isa, pupul natin, tapos hatiin natin ulit. Ito namang isa, itong isang buo, i-divide natin ng tatlo natin divide. So, kalalabasan niya is 10 cm isa. Bali 30 cm kasi itong isa. Yan. So, itong pinakamahaba para makabuo tayo nito. Ito yung, di ba dalawang maiksi. Yan. Tatlo. Tapos isang malaki. Pull natin ng yan. Tapos ito. Yan.
What are you waiting for? Seize them.
Let go of my mommy!
Uncle, what are you doing? Where did you get the nerve to bully my grandson?
He's Sean's grandpa?
What did you say? I'm telling you, this is my grandson.
So, tatlo siya, ganyan.
And you won't be answering to me.
Uncle, it's not like that. I bought this house. I was just asking them to leave. Liar! You're a bad woman. You bullied my mommy and tried to hit me.
That's right. If that broom had struck him, Sean's arm would be useless. You're lying. Shut up. She'll try to deny it.
Tapos itong dalawang maliit.
Uncle, it's not like that. Uncle, please forgive me. For the sake of our families,
Tali natin
please
yung
forgive
ganyan.
me.
Ipupul natin ganyan.
If it weren't for your parents, I'd break your legs. This is my final warning. From now
Tapos
on,
ito,
stay
isa.
away from them.
Kabilaan yung dalawang
Never
maliit.
stepping foot in my house again. Did you hear me?
So, ayan. So, ayan na siya. Itong sa side, ipupul natin pa sa pagiging. So, ayan na siya. Tapos ngayon, hilahin natin ito. Parang itatali natin itong isa. So, ayan na siya.
Are you really Sean's
Tapos,
grandpa?
ipupul na lang natin ngayon.
Then your son is.
So, ayan guys.
When I saw him at the hospital, I ordered a DNA test right away. Turns out he's my grandson.
Sean, he really is your grandpa.
Come here, let Grandpa hold you. Come on, my boy, quickly. Come over here, let Grandpa give
O,
you a
diba? Kulang na lang ng isa.
hug. Oh, my.
So, ayan, may 5 na tayo. Kuha tayo ng
Sir,
kailangan natin para sa gitna. Tapos isang kulay green na passive. So, i-ano lang natin to. Kailangan natin ng ito, ng tawag dito, glue stick na. Kailangan natin ng glue stick para ito madikit siya. So, ito, ilalagay na natin dyan.
why do I keep feeling like throwing up? Is my stomach acting up? I should see a doctor.
Sonny Yates. Am I really that disgusting?
Of course not. You're handsome, rich, and in such great shape. You're basically every woman's
Yan.
dream guy.
So, kailangan na natin dito guys ng
Looks like sweet
glue gun.
even on top of
Diba? Ang ganda.
CEOs.
Wow, nalaglag isa.
Sir,
Glue gun kailangan natin
what
guys.
happened last night? I won't breathe a word. Later.
Oh, diba? Ayan na yung ating
Got it.
gumamela. Oh, diba? Dapat kasi, ano yan siya, mayroong siyang dikit o kaya yung glue stick guys, glue gun. Kailangan natin ng glue gun. Kaya para ano, ito kasi ginawa ko lang ng, tinali ko lang siya. So, yun lang guys.
Report.